Today I'm taking a look at the Coffee Gator stainless steel coffee canister. Okay, that's nice. So it actually comes with a little 1/8 cup measuring scoop. So that's nice. So there it is. That has got a pretty good look to it. I do like that gray finish. That's going to look really good with all the stainless steel appliances that I got. That is the main reason that I wanted this color. Oh, that's cool. So they did mention this, but I forgot about it. It also has a little travel container. No extra smells to it, so that's very good. So that's cool. So this has a few things about it that makes it nicer in keeping your coffee in a bag. So the first thing is this little calendar on the top. So you can use this to help determine when your coffee was put inside the container. Let's see, today is the 16th. There we go. And it's October. So now I know I put the coffee in here on October 16th. Now the second thing about this that's pretty cool is it has a degasser, and this is a one-way valve. Now why that's important is because any beans that you put in here are going to be constantly letting off carbon dioxide. Now that's okay. What you're going to normally see with bags, they're going to have a similar thing. So this is going to let those gases to escape so it doesn't blow up the bag. The only problem with that is that's also going to let the oxygen in, and that's going to make the beans go stale quicker. Now because this is a one-way valve, it'll let the carbon dioxide out, but it won't let the oxygen in. So this is going to keep the beans fresher longer. So yeah, overall, that is a very nice coffee container.